Hi there, this screencast will go over how to use the green screen feature in WeVideo. So I'm in my project page and I'm going to start by importing the files that I need or the media that I need into my WeVideo media file library, which is this one here. The way that I import is at the top of this menu here, there is a green cloud with an up arrow. That is my import media key. So if I click on that, it opens up a window that asks me to select where I'm going to get my media from. I can import it from a social site, in this case Google Drive, or I can browse to select and it will browse my local computer drive for media. So if I click on browse to connect, I am taken to a file location on my computer where I have some photos or video that I want to upload. In this case, I'm going to pick this green screen 1 file. So it's a green box with some eyes in it. So I've selected that. So I've ticked the box and I click open. That will now import the file that I need into my WeVideo media library. So I can access it from there. I'm also going to pick another file to use as part of this green screen project. So when I'm working with the green screen, I need to use the 2 video panels at the bottom of my WeVideo editing software. So if you look down here, you can see a video 1 panel, and that's where I can put all my video 1 information, and a video 2 panel. That's where I can put all my video 2 information. So I'm going to start with the green screen file that I just imported, which is this one here, and I'm going to click and drag that into the video 2. So that file is going to run in the video 2 panel. As you can see, when I clicked and dragged down into that panel, it made it quite small and really hard for me to use. So it's only a 20-second clip really, but I want it to run for longer and I can expand it so it runs for longer. So what I do to expand it is if I click on the file, it highlights it with an orange box, which means it's selected. And can you see the 2 arrows pointing in different directions? That key allows me to click and drag the video clip so that it's longer. So that's what I'm going to do now. Click and drag. So now I've expanded that clip from 20 seconds to about 1 minute, 16 seconds. Okay, in order to use the green screen effect, I need to add a second video clip in the video 1 file. So I've got my first one. If you play, you can see just the eyes on the green background. That's my first clip. I need to add the second clip into the video 1 file or panel. So I'm going to pick this image here, which is mine 3. So it's from a Year 5 Minecraft project. Again, I select it, I click it, and I drag it to the appropriate location, which is the video 1 panel, and I jump it there. So now you can see I have 2 files, one in video 2, which is my green screen file, and one in video 1, which is my source file. That video 1 Minecraft image is again quite small, but I want to continue that or drag that so it's as long as my green screen image. So again, I select and I've got the box highlighted. I find my double arrows and I click and I expand that out. Now, when I play these 2 clips, I can just see the green box with the eyes. I can't actually see the image underneath. And what I want to do is be able to have the eyes on top of the image underneath. So I'm going to remove the green color of the eyes here. So how I do that is I need to edit that green color out. So if I click back on the eyes, it selects that video, makes it active, and then at the top of that there's 4 options. I can delete it, I can add particular effects to it, I can add a fade effects to it, and then this is the one that I'm going to use, the clip editor. So it's a little pencil. So if I click on that little pencil, it takes me to an editing a menu where I can edit that particular clip. Now in this menu there are 5 at the top. I'm actually only going to use this one here, which is the coloring. So that's the person on the colored background. You can see in this menu there's not a lot that you can do, but there is this thing here which is called the dropper. Now what the dropper does is let me select a color and remove that color. So if I click on my dropper to make it active and I hover over my screen, you can see my dropper has now appeared. So what I'm going to do is if I click on that green color, it will remove it. So see now it's selected the color and it's moved that color. I press save, and if you play your clip, the green color or the green screen has been removed, and I've superimposed the image of my eyes on top of my polar bear enclosure image. That's how you use the green screen. Thank you.